I will now demonstrate to you how to use JORDAHL expert software to incorporate a specific bracket design into anchor channel connection calculations. The software provides calculations compliant with the anchor channel evaluation report based on ICC-ES Acceptance Criteria 232. The JORDAHL expert software provides default bracket geometry, but as in this example, it also allows designers to define a user-defined bracket, where forces and moments can be specified in all three directions. So as an example, a typical facade connection is considered using a user-defined bracket and an anchor channel. All the applied forces are entered in the load drop-down menu. The program then calculates the loads on each T-bolt, taking all eccentricities into consideration. An appropriate bracket is selected in the menu bar via this drop-down menu. In this case, the user-defined bracket is now chosen to attach to the anchor channel. Once a position has been created in project administration, the properties of the anchor channel are selected in the Channels and Bolts section. In this example, only the anchor channel length is changed in the default settings. The concrete geometry and properties are entered in the next step. In this example, the concrete strength is selected as 4,000 psi in an uncracked condition, and the slab thickness is selected as 10 inches. The anchor channel is positioned on the upper surface of the floor slab with an edge distance of 6 inches. Bracket geometry is specified in the Bracket Dimensions drop-down menu. The loads are then specified after entering the bracket parameters. A typical vertical load on a facade connection is 550 pounds. The horizontal wind load is taken as 6,300 pounds. Due to an eccentric load transfer, a bending moment of 12,600 pounds/inch is considered. The position and number of T-bolts can now be defined. Pressing the Results button displays possible anchor channels and their corresponding utilization levels in the results overview. In this example, a JTA W5030 and corresponding T-bolts are selected. All input data and analyses can now be examined in the result printout. The input data for the bracket and the calculated loads on each T-bolts are displayed on the third page. Then the pressure point of the bracket on the concrete surface is shown. In order to document the results, this output report is integrated in the structural analyses of the building as a whole and may be submitted for examination. More tutorials and information on anchor channels can be found on our website at www.deconusa.com.